To show the physical objects on the map, generally we use the different symbols. Already we have discussed. Okay, so physical features of the landmass or any object we cannot show on the map as it is. Why? Because it required more space. Okay, so drawing is required. So that's why we cannot show physical features of the object as it is on the map. So what we'll do? So we show the physical objects on the map. We use symbols, first point. Next, another one is if you want to show the heights of the places, either if you want to show any mountain, okay, the different heights of the mountain in the map. So first of all, we have to calculate the height of the mountain. Height of the mountain. Okay, so how we calculate height of the mountain? So usually to calculate the height of the mountain, we take the sea level as base. Sea level as base. Why? Because land forms are not equal. Already we have discussed. So those are uneven. So somewhere height is there, somewhere low places are there. That's why we cannot take the land as base. That's why we take sea level as base. Why? Because all seas are connected each other. So we are assuming that all the seas are equal height, roughly, not same, roughly all seas are equally height. So that's why we take the sea level as the base to calculate the heights of the land masses on the earth. This is more important. Already we have discussed in the previous class. In our textbook, one picture painting given about the Nimpur village. It is having some fields, river, oceans, okay, and other features. So we cannot show those features as it is on the map. That's why this is fields given, river is there near the village, and some temple is located in the top of the middle of the hill, okay, and some trees are there, and barren lands are there, and there is a ocean near to the village. So these features we cannot show on the map as it is. That's why first of all we try to calculate the height of the hill. So here we have taken sea as base. So from sea level, where the village is located in the 50 meters above the sea level. 50 meters. Usually we calculate the height in meters when you calculate height from the sea level. So the Nimpur village is situated above the 50 meters above the sea level, and the temple is located 100 meters above the sea level, and the peak of the mountain or hill also 150 meters from the sea level. So like that we find the heights of the places to show the on the maps. Okay, next, how can you show these heights on the map? That is important. Okay, we use some circles, okay, to show the heights on the map. This is the height of the mountain which is located in the Nimpur village. So already we have taken 3 levels, heights. One is 0 to 100, 0 to 50. The Nimpur village is located above this 50 meters height, and another one is temple. Another one is the peak of the mountain. Clear? So three heights taken. So here we are using 3 circles. So every circle is shaded with a different color. So this green color shade, green color is height of this land is 0 to 50 meters from the sea level. So another color is 51 to 100 meters. So last in the middle one, brown color shows the height of the land is 101 meter to 150 meters. So like that, we use shades or colors to show the heights of the places on the map. Either if you take the India map or world map or district map to show the heights of the different places, we use different shades. Example, if green color is there in different places, means those areas are 50 meters above the sea level. If you find the this color in different places, means those areas are more than 51 meters and less than 100 meters height from the sea level. And if they showed this color, center color, in anywhere, those areas are more than 101 meters and below 150 meters height from the sea level. So to show the heights of the sea level, okay, of land, we can use different colors. Clear? So first one is, sometimes we use symbols and colors to show that. Physical maps, especially to show the heights, to show the minerals, to show the population. So for every purpose, we can use the shades. So shades explain the feature of the particular aspect. Next, another one is contour lines. So already in Neempur village, we have taken 3 lines: 15 meters contour line, 100 meters contour line, and 150 meters contour line. So here, what is the meaning of contour line? So contour line is a line joining places. Okay, here given contour line definition, meaning of the contour line. So contour line is a line joining places with equal heights on the map. Already in the previous picture we have taken 50 meters height line. 50 meters height line. That is one of the, that is called 50 meters contour line. 50 meters contour line. In that this line shows the join the different places, means those places are having 50 meters height from the sea level. Okay, so all the places on the line will have the same height. So contour lines shows are shown in irregular shapes depending upon the landforms. So contour lines sometimes show very near. Contour lines may show on the map little bit far away from each other. So means based on, depend on the slope of the land. So the contour line may draw near to each other or far away from each other. So if the slope is, if the land has a steep climb, then the contour lines will be near each other. When the contour line are near to each other, means there was a more slope, okay, in the land mass. If the slope is gentle means we can walk without fell down. So that is called gentle slope. So if the gentle slope is there, the contour lines will be quite far from each other. So you can understand by observing the contour lines drawn on the map. If the contour lines are near to each other, means there was a steep slope is there. If the contour lines are far away from each other, it means there was a gentle slope. So like that, by using the contour lines, we can explain the land mass, either height, either the slope of the land. Also, we can explain, we can analyze by seeing those maps. Okay, so different we use different maps to show different features. Already we have discussed. We cannot show all the features, all the aspects in one map. So if you show all the features one map in one map, so what will happen? It will become clumsy. We cannot analyze those aspects. We cannot understand what we are going to explain. So that's why we should take separate map for every information or every aspect, every concept. So if you want to show only heights, we can use contour lines, we can use circles with different shades, or we can use only the color, only the shades. Based on that shades, every shade is having a different height, so the places which are having a same color, so those all places are lies on same height, all are having same height. Like that, we can, by using the contour lines, we can using the shades to explain the heights of the places. Okay, so if you take the physical map of Telangana, so how can you show the heights on the map? Here also given the plan of Nimpur village. So previously Nimpur village picture given, total fields, hills, river, everything given. But here only lines are there and shades are there. So there is no physical feature of the place. Only symbols are there. It is means line means river. It is a ocean. We should fill with blue color actually, and green color given 50 meters height, and another color 100 meters height, another color 100 meters, more than 100 meters. So by showing these shades, by seeing these shades, we can understand the heights of the places. Okay, so take the physical map of Telangana. So how they explained the height of the places in that. Okay, so this is the Telangana physical map showing heights, So here some variations are there. So from sea level, taken from 150 meters, mean MSL means mean sea level, mean means average sea level. So what is the height of these places? And another color given for 150 to 300, next color 300 to 600, 600 to 1200. Okay, so here the color, dark color, where the dark color is there, here actually showing brown but black, but in the textbook that is given for dark green. So where the dark green color is there, these all the places are having 150 meters height from sea level, So next, light green color, where the light green color is there, so those places are having 150 to 300 meters height, not exact 150, not exact 300. So those places vary between 150 to 300 meters height. And yellow color, third one, 300 to 600 meters height. So remaining all the Telangana plateau, Telangana landmass mostly having 300 to 600 meters height from sea level. So remaining some places are located or above the 600 to 1200 meters above the sea level. So especially Hyderabad. Hyderabad is above the 1200 meters above the sea level. That's why our climate is different. Our climate is different. Even in summer also, we don't get sweat, and our areas little bit cool when you compare with other areas in our state only, not with other states. If you compare with other places in our state with Hyderabad, Hyderabad is a little bit cooler than remaining places in our state in summer also. Why? Because our Hyderabad area is 1200 meters above the sea level. But how to understand here? If the place is more height from the sea level, those places will get cool. So that's why Simla and some other hill stations are more cool in the summer also. Winter, we cannot bear that climate, but in summer we can enjoy. So that's why people go to those places in summers, in summer holidays, to avoid the hot conditions in our state. Okay, that's why. So we can understand here the places of the height of the places by using this map. Okay, here we can see another maps what are given here. Okay, so here another one given, soil loss, tolerance given here. So some shades given. According to these shades, we can identify the places which places are having different soils. Clear? So like that, any information we can explain with the help of shades and physical maps. That is more important. Okay, next, mean sea level. Already we said mean sea level means average sea level. So why we have to calculate the average height of the sea level? Why? Because the sea never still. Okay, it always move. Okay, so we can identify the high tides and low tides in the sea. They never stand still. They never stand still. Always the sea moves. Okay, so at the time, so what, which height we have to take to calculate the height of the place? Low tide or high tide? So to clear the confusion, so our people, our scientists will calculate the mean sea level. Mean means average. So how to calculate mean sea level? So they observe the tides in the ocean whole day. Okay, they consider the low tides and high tides. Means they calculate the height of the low tides and high tides. They will take some number of low tides height, number of high tides height. Okay, they will add the number of low tides and number of high tides height and divided by number of tides. Number of tides taken for to calculate that height. So they will divide. So by that formula, they can calculate the mean sea level, average sea level. Okay, so now we use the mean sea level height to calculate the height of the different places. So, okay, clear? So like that, we show the heights of the places on the map by using contour lines, by using shades, by using circles. Okay, we show the heights of the places or physical features of the places on the map. So this is the information about our lesson. Once again, we will try to recall what we have learned in the previous classes. So especially maps are different kinds: physical maps, political maps, topographical maps. Okay, clear. So we use symbols to show the physical objects on the map. So different symbols are there. So to show the railway track, to show the temples, to show the police station, to show the schools, to show the highways, and we use lines to show the rivers. Okay, so for every purpose there is a one symbol. So to show that physical object on the map, so we can use the appropriate symbol. That is more important. Next, we use scale. To scale means to calculate the distance from one place to another. Already we have discussed that. So total distance of between the places we cannot show on the map. That's why what shall we do? We reduce the distance or size of the object to show on the map. So how can you convert the distance? How to reduce? So to reduce the distance between two places, we convert the distance from kilometers to centimeters. Kilometers to centimeters. So in the map, they will show the scale in the top of the map or bottom of the map. So they will give already in our textbook scale given 1 centimeter equivalent to 200 kilometers. 1 centimeter, the 200 kilometers converted as a 1 centimeter. So now if you know the distance between two places, what you have to do? First you have to take one scale and measure the distance between one place to another place. So some dots given there about countries, sorry, state capitals. So measure the distance between two state capitals, either from Hyderabad to Gandhinagar or Hyderabad to Bhopal. So with the help of scale, then find out how many centimeters distance is there between two cities. So here what the scale is given, 1 centimeter equivalent to 200 kilometers. So after finding the distance between two cities, example, that is the distance between two cities is 10 centimeters. You got the 10 centimeters. Then what you have to do? You have to multiply these 10 centimeters into 200. 10 into 200. Already you know, you are very good in tables. Then you can easily find the result, that is 2000. Here means the distance between two cities are 2000 kilometers. So the distance we have shown on the paper in centimeters, we converted into centimeter and shown on the map. Like that, scale used to calculate the distance between places, different places. Okay, then contour lines. Already you know the contour line. A contour line is a line joining places with equal heights on the map. So if not, the places which are lies on the contour line are having same height. We can say in any manner. So you have to understand this. So every contour line is having a particular height. So this is a 50 meters contour line, another line is 100 meters contour line, or like that we will mention the height of the line. So the places which are lies on those lines are having same height. So to show the physical height of the places, we can show with the help of shade, colors. Okay, so already we have seen the physical map of the Telangana. Okay, So how they showed the heights of the places. Next one is mean sea level. So already you know that the height of the places calculate from the sea level. Why we are taking sea level is as base. So all the seas are connected. That's why the surface of the sea level, we are assuming that is same height. So that's why we take the oceans as base. Okay, so that's why. So which height we have to take as the base here in the sea? We can observe that both the tides, high tides and low tides. So to avoid that, so we calculate the mean sea level, means average sea level. So to calculate the average sea level, so we should consider the low tides and the high tides, okay, in a day. So those heights of the low tides and high tides will be added, and that height of the tides divided by number of tides. If you take, we will find the mean sea level. So we calculate height of the places with the help of mean sea level. Clear? Now clear this? Do you have any doubts? Anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No,
So
sir.
now lesson is
No, sir.
completed. So your duty is first what I have given the homework you should post later. So I think you all are having workbooks. Read the question and answers. More important. Okay, I will conduct the exam within 2 or 3 days. So first of all, you must thorough with question and answers, then practice the map pointing, okay, with state capitals, states and state capitals. Already you are having that map point in your textbook in page number 3. So prepare exact places of the capital cities in the state. So I will give the map pointing also in your exam. Clear?
Sir, I do not have a workbook, sir.
You don't have a workbook, so better you
Yes, sir.
collect the workbooks from the school. Some workbooks are available in the school. Better you collect. If not, I will post the pictures.
Okay, sir.
All are having textbook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are
Yes,
having
sir.
textbook. You can prepare your own notes also. No problem. No need to
Okay.
depend on workbook. You can prepare your own notes, but you should write elaborately, not in single point. In social, you should write more points, whichever is possible. Okay? Okay, ma.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Tejasvi attended today only. Okay, good.
Yes,
Tejasvi
sir.
follow the class. Already I explained total lesson also. Okay. You did not miss anything. So now you should follow with others. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I'm going to end this session. I will send this video also. Okay, ma.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.